Now! Shoot better!
Sammy, it looks like you've fed him something indigestible. He might develop a stomachache.
The trash-eating monster can't have a stomachache!
Let's see. Aha! Now we can check it. May I do an examination? Thank you. Oh!
What is it? Is something wrong?
We've got some bad news. This trash can must take a sick leave.
Shiver me cheddars! Who will eat all of this garbage then?
Well, I have a candidate. Let's go! Guys, today some hard choices should be made. To get rid of all the garbage in the house, we should take harsh actions.
Oh no! I don't want to get rid of Patrick!
Nope, we won't do that. But eating trash can turn him into a monster. Are you ready for such an outcome, Sammy?
Let's get to it! I'm not a slime who's afraid of monsters!
If you say so. First, we'll cut out the cardboard pieces for the lower part of the trash can.
Guys, be careful with the cutter! Or better ask an adult to help!
Patrick will have an opening mechanism inside. Let's prepare the pieces for it.
For some reason, I'm having strong déjà vu. Wait a second! We've already made monster-eating trash cans, right?
Yep. Guys, do you remember that craft? If not…
You can find it on our channel!
That monster trash can totally was a fast eater.
I hope Patrick will last longer.
Well, in that case, we should feed him well and never upset him. He's kind of short-tempered.
Uh-oh! What if he'll eat me instead? Susie, will you save me?
I thought you said you're cool with monsters.
I'm not sure anymore. Please hide me here.
Okay, as you wish. Move 2 steps away. Now let's count to 3. 1, 2…
Oh no! I've started developing claustrophobia! Get me out of here! Whew! Susie, you're my savior! I'm feeling better now.
I'll always help you out, so you shouldn't be anxious about being eaten.
Thanks! Then let's move on to the upper part of our Patrick.
Guys, check this out! Sammy's made a pattern to cut out the upper piece and… whoosh! Here is the final shape. Now let's bend it.
Those short cuts will help us make a cone shape. Ooh, I can't wait to meet our Patrick!
We need to glue these together. Check it out, it's already bending. Let's repeat the same steps with the other cuts and shape Patrick's head.
Be careful with the glue gun, guys! It's very hot!
Here we need a bit more effort to bend this part.
Sue, we need some cuts on the lower parts too! Ah! You already did it.
The next step is making a cone shape. You need a lot of glue here. Bend it like this and you'll get the final shape. Easy peasy.
It looks too simple so far. Where are Patrick's features?
You're right. Let's start with the eyes. They're big and round. Here we go.
Hey, Susie, want to see something fun? Oh. Ouch!
Wow, wait a second. Where are you going?
Brr, I think he's just hypnotized me.
Oh, my feta. What other surprises will he bring us? Guys, stay tuned.
It's not scary from the inside. I like it.
Excuse me.
Okay, now we can move on to the next stage of our craft.
Let's change the set then. We've made almost the same pieces for our previous trash-eating monsters. Only this time we've made slight changes.
Then don't skip this part, Susie. We must know everything.
All right, now we're making the lever to open and close the lid. The piece in the middle is a bit shorter than in the previous craft.
This is a very important decision, but I still don't get why you made it.
Sorry it isn't obvious for now. I want to make the lever a bit higher, where Patrick's belly button will be.
Yay! I'm sure Patrick would love this! Guys, subscribe to our channel! Wow, Sue, you're a real master!
Thanks! And this is the new lever here. Where's the belly button?
Here, I found one just the perfect shape.
That's so nice of you. Here you go, Patrick. The last piece is a wooden stick to open up the lid.
Not the lid, Susie! It's Patrick's mouth! Be consistent!
Right. Let's attach the lower part of our Patrick. This way. All done. What are you up to, Sammy?
I'm working on his pants now, but it's kind of a tough task.
Let's postpone it for later and deal with Patrick's teeth.
I've got shampoos. Check this out. How do I look?
Fierce! Guys, we are going to embed the pieces like this one into Patrick's mouth.
Welcome to Dr. Sam's. Today you'll learn how to make the true monster's teeth.
Let's put this here. What do you say?
It's 90% cute and only 1% scary. We need more. Cool! Now we'll attach the upper half using this fastener.
You've missed one step. We also need a plastic straw. Actually, that's what we need.
All right, come on. Attach those pieces.
And this is what we've got. Let's turn our construction around. Hop. Now we can join the two halves together. We'll just lean them closer and add some glue.
Sue, it's awesome. You're a real engineer.
Wow, check this out, guys. Let's make a test drive. Open your mouth, Patrick.
Easy, Susan. Ah! Hey, get me out. It's dark in here and a bit scary, too.
Guys, we're moving to the next stage. The decor is waiting for us.
No. Shiver me cheddars. Why me? I'm zonked out already.
Come on, you can cover it with foam paper. It's not a big deal.
Okay, but you make the other arm by yourself.
Guys, let's learn to make Patrick's arms. First, we'll cut off the tip of a cardboard cone. Don't hesitate. Hop. Then we need to make 2 wide cuts on the length of the cone.
I see you're doing great without me, Susan.
I'm bending the arm right now. Guys, we need to add glue on each cut.
When you're done, you can start covering it with pink foam paper.
Wrap it tightly around the cardboard following its structure.
I'll speed up time for you. Here is the result.
Foam paper is very flexible, so it's not hard to do this. Next, we'll cover Patrick's head with the same pink foam paper. Here we go.
You need a lot of pink foam paper. I have a separate storage for it.
Also, don't forget to cut out holes for the eyeballs. Be careful.
I can't look. Well, maybe just a small peek. Check me out. Do I look like Patrick Starr's relative?
You totally do, but like a distant relative, maybe. Guys, check this out. Sam repeated Patrick's eyebrows' iconic shape. But let's get to the eyes. Sammy, they were here.
I took them, but I'm sure you'll like this.
Sammy, it came out just awesome. So, what do you think?
His jaw dropped. He's either shocked or enormously excited.
He was scared. Don't be hard on him.
I've covered the lower part with foam paper as well.
Okay, and what is this for?
Susie, he doesn't have any pants yet.
Right, let's make them then. Patrick wears his only favorite lime green ones. Huh? Who's ready for the fitting? I'm sure you'll like them. Guys, don't look. Check this out. They're just the right size.
But the iconic flower pattern is missing. Now it's much better.
These pants are the second most popular after SpongeBob SquarePants.
Susie, check this out. Cutlery for our hungry monster has arrived.
These look kind of flat. Let's fix it. Oop, oop. Now we'll transform cardboard cutlery into silver ones. Stop, don't move, who's there?
Susie, it's me. Just don't eat me.
Sammy, I was just kidding. Here, make the fork while I'm dealing with the knife. Nice handle, by the way.
Check this out. Patrick has already started the feast.
Oh, he's not a healthy eater. What if Patrick wants to slice something?
I've made a sharp knife for such occasions.
Guys, are you ready to see Patrick's monstrous look?
Be prepared to get some chills. Brr! this too! And also, wait, it was important! Give it back! Shiver-me cheddars! He's digesting it! Sue, can you tackle it?
All right, let me try. Ugh! Yikes! Take it back and never throw it away again!
With your bare hands? Susie!
This guy seems like he wants some more. He's insatiable. Shall we feed him some slick slime? Do you agree, guys?
No way! I'm not tasty!
Guys, subscribe and you won't miss our new crafts. Cheerio!